Hello, it is Mary and Mocha. Mocha's sad. He thought I was getting over on the bed. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications to let you know whenever I post another video. So, what this video is about is something I got on. It's actually my Christmas present. One of my Christmas presents from my roommate. If you watch my paint markers, that was another Christmas present from my roommate. So this year for Christmas, instead of wrapping stuff up, she decided, since we're both not we didn't feel in the holiday spirit, whenever it came, we'll just open it and use it. So, if you keep hearing that popping, it's what I'm excited about. If you watched my last video, I kind of talked about it. I am the type of person that I don't like putting stuff together, but I don't mind it because sometimes I do go by the pictures, how to put it together. And then others, if I've already put it together once, I can put it together without looking at the instructions. And I'm always looking for a screwdriver, hammer, pliers, and they're not the last place we put them. So, ooh, Mocha's warm. So with that being said, this is going to be showing you my new tools. So it comes in this case. That's actually the color everything is. I kept this in here just so I know where it goes. So, like I said in the last video, this was a Black Friday sale. So I love my new tools. We have a straight Phillips, yeah, that's right. A nice pair of scissors, which these scissors kind of look like your kitchen shears. These are extra blades for box cutter. Tape measure. These are wire cutters, I believe, and these are pliers, hammer. This box right here has nails, thumbtacks, and screws in it. And then, of course, you have these. And then this is a tester for like because it's got two little lights in there. And then these are small, like your glasses, screwdrivers, and these are small straights, and then you have both of these. So this right here goes with this and both of those. There is in this one. That right there clips into the handle, into the top, and then you can use any of these. And then some of those. I saw a kit like this on Amazon, and it actually had more stuff. It had a rechargeable drill with it for $65. But I like it. It has everything that you would need to use in a house or apartment or putting things together. And then of course to close it, you shut that, and then you shut that. And at the bottom, it has 2 snaps, and at the top, it has 2 snaps. And to undo it, you do the 2 snaps. I'm keeping that in there. And then you make sure it's closed like that. And it sits. It's good. It's a little heavy, but it's because of all the tools in there. But it's a good thing to have. I believe every woman should have some tools, even if they don't put things together. Because if you move into an apartment, you need a hammer to hang pictures or a screwdriver to screw in nails so you can hang pictures in. It's a good thing to have. I am someone that will be using them, not just having it sit. So, it's a good thing. On HSN, you can get it in 3 colors. This one is a teal. You can also get it in red and blue. I'm going to take, when I finish this video, I'm going to go take head medicine, some headache medicine. And I'm going to post all the videos that I just recorded. I know this video is going up in January, but if I'm sitting in the same spot and if we get to sign renew, that will always be up. My Grinchmas. I'm sad I don't have the money to go back to where I got this from, because I see all the TikToks or all the videos they're posting on Facebook and all that of the more Grinch stuff they have at Walmart and Hobby Lobby, I think. I love the Grinch. I would keep my Grinch pictures and certain things out all year. Because that movie has a good meaning. So, if we're still here and you see Merry Grinchmas up, don't say nothing. it's going to be up 365 days a year. Because I got my other sign, my other picture in the office, and it says, oh, maybe Christmas. I forget the exact thing, but it's basically say, I thought Christmas came in, I don't think Christmas came in boxes and bags. I think maybe Christmas means a little bit more, which is true. It's not what you get at Christmas. Yeah, I was excited about this. I was excited. I put the puzzle together. My pins, I was excited to get those because I could actually use, it's things I can use and do. But I would prefer to be spending Christmas with my family and doing things with my family, like going and looking at Christmas lights and that kind of stuff. I think the older I'm getting, the more, like, more spending time with my family means to me. Where when I was younger, yeah, Christmas I was sad that I wasn't with them, but I still kind of enjoyed it because I did things. This year I didn't feel in the Christmas mood or Halloween mood because what my family's dealing with. So, with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day or night whenever you watch this. Bye.